we're looking forward right now. Here's your upper control arms. Here is the bracket, the upper torque box reinforcement right here, which goes through the frame behind the shock tower, or the shocks are gonna go, and goes in through, connects it to the upper control arm, which connects it to this back brace, crosses over, goes through like that, same thing, and the same thing on the other side. So that's how it goes. So I gotta drill a hole. This is a BMR installation.
Make sure you got a bolt in there to hold it in place.
Yeah, it's on the upper control arm mount. Once you got it started, take off the bracket. That way you can drill through easier. Alright, the hole needs to go all the way through. That one's all the way through. This one's not yet. Got these bolts, washer, the sleeve, and the nut. The two holes you made on the side. Right, that's your upper control arm. Here's the bracket. Your shocks go right here, or right here. Sorry, right here. And this is where that bracket goes. So the sleeve's gonna go in the holes you made.
Alright,
Let me see if I can look through this hole.
keep moving it around. There you go.
There's the crossbar.
So this is gonna be like that.
So this bar goes in the middle between the transmission tunnel, ties the uppers together like that.
Yep, that's it. And now we just gotta put these on.
Okay, you're gonna need one of these step bits. The sleeve. There's only one side, but this side the hole is bigger to let this in, and then the other side's small.
To just open up the hole.
I got.
Yo, this back hole is not even there. You know why?
I saw it through.
You know.
So I messed up. So there's two holes. You can see that. I see it from this side, right here. So when you drill the hole, put the bracket on, and then make sure you put a pilot hole on both sides, and then go straight through. So yeah, that's bad. Okay, so both of my sides were messed up. I didn't drill it correctly. So get the sleeve, go through the frame. Put it in there. This one needs to get this. Alright, there we go. So get it in, just like that, and then put this on, bracket on.
Line this top one up first. Right?
Yeah.
Line up.
Yeah, it's lined up. We just gotta line up the sleeves. Push it down.
Like that.
I gotta line me up on the other side.
Alright, you can.
Yeah, it's so small.
I feel like we need to get longer bolts for this shit. Right?
Nah.
It's not even getting on the nylon.
I know, it's nowhere near it.
I mean, once you impact it, it should compress it all together.
Yeah, probably close the gap between.
Yeah, probably just put some Loctite on it too. Or we had to get longer bolts, but we'll see.
And we're using what they supplied.
Alright, we're done. Let's go. Put those two.